First, start by heating a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat in a large pot. Introduce 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts to the pot and cook until they've achieved a golden brown hue on both sides. Once done, remove the chicken and set it aside for a moment. Next, in the same pot, it's time to sauté a cup of chopped onion and 2 minced cloves of garlic. Cook these until the onions become a delightful translucent color. Now, it's time to create the soup base. Pour in 1 cup of green enchilada sauce, 4 cups of chicken broth, a can of drained black beans, a can of drained corn, and a can of diced green chilies. Stir in a teaspoon each of chili powder and cumin, adding a flavorful punch to the mix. Stir everything together to combine. Bring back the chicken into this flavorful pot. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes. The flavors will meld together, creating a delightful symphony for the senses. Once the simmering time is up, remove the chicken and shred it using 2 forks. Return this shredded chicken to the pot, adding a delightful texture to your soup. Finish off the soup by stirring in a cup of shredded cheddar cheese and a cup of sour cream. Season with salt and pepper to taste, adjusting until it's just right for your palate. Serve this soup piping hot with a garnish of fresh cilantro to add a pop of color and a burst of flavor. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.